develop innovative and effective cloud management platform, which is exactly what this company has done. Headquartered in Melbourne, so it's not Microsoft. The recipient has devised a cloud management platform specifically for highly distributed enterprise environments. The recipient has developed the Aneka solution, which represents a dynamic application platform for development, deployment, and administration of highly distributed cloud applications. Leveraging on Microsoft's .NET framework, it substantially empowers Aneka's viability within the public and private cloud environment. Further to this, the solution offers multiple advantages for end users with respect to pricing, accounting, service level agreement, and quality of service. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating the recipient of the 2010 Asia Pacific Frost & Sullivan New Product Innovation Award in the field of cloud management platforms. It's Manjra Soft.
Please welcome on stage Dr. Rajkumar Goya, founder and CEO, Manjra Soft.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and honor to be here to receive this New Product Innovation Award on behalf of Manjra Soft. So this is a startup company founded at University of Melbourne. So it's a spin-off company from University of Melbourne, founded 2 years ago to commercialize research and development that happens in cloud computing in the Student System Lab, which I happen to be director of the lab. So during the last 2 years, we have made various innovations in this area, focused on helping how do we build applications faster. Then once you build application, you would like to run your application faster. As a result, you can bring new applications that are there that can be brought to the market quickly and in a timely manner. So in terms of focus of this company, so we have targeted several verticals. One of the first one being education research market. That's primarily because of my background. But however, having said that, we have focused also on engineering area. So one of our first customer in this area was China Southern Railways. They use our software for speeding up, rendering up images that they use it for locomotive design. So this is one of the very interesting applications in engineering sector that we found. As a result, we have been able to pursue other applications of similar nature in areas like movie rendering and animation and so on. Then obviously, since I also have a connection towards government market, so as a result, so one of our customer based in India, which is part of Department of Space. You probably heard of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. So they have built very interesting application in the area of satellite image processing using our software system, and we hope to make them as one of our customers soon. Then apart from that, we have been growing very well in education research market. As you know, in India, there are several thousands of technical colleges. They teach ICT courses. That is why India is a leading in software area. And we want to help all these education institutes to educate next generation software engineers who would have very strong background in cloud computing. So we are helping them to set up private cloud or enterprise cloud within technical colleges. So thereby, this platform can be used for teaching skills that are necessary for next generation products. So as a result, so we have many customers in this area who have been developing interesting applications in research area, in education area, and also in commercial area. So our product, initially we developed as a simple solution in 2006. Later on, we started progressing rapidly towards the cloud computing area. As you know, cloud computing is a term that gained quite big popularity in late 2007. And during the last 2 years, it has been identified as one of the most hyped technology in ICT area. But however, there are a lot of real applications are emerging. And I expect personally that by year 2020, I expect this market to be something like $1 trillion per year. And I hope that our company, Manjra Soft, will be one of the key players by year 2020. And of course, I don't have a background to talk about in terms of big revenue as a startup company. I'm coming out from University of Melbourne. So as a result, that means many of the people who are involved in developing this technology are students. So unlike many other professionals, but however, recently we have made good progress, acquired customers, and we are almost in closing phase of attracting investment with one of the local investors, and we hope that next year we will be growing much more rapidly. So with this, I'd like to thank my team members, to start with students. So we have worked hard and created this innovative technology. so which I believe is the world first in terms of providing a platform that can support multiple ways of creating applications. And then once you build this application, you should be able to deploy on different platforms, whether it is a private cloud within your enterprise or a public cloud. And then, so sometimes people build private cloud, and then the private cloud is not able to meet their needs. They should be able to dynamically lease capabilities from public cloud. So we have built a model that links both private and public cloud. So we have demonstrated this in many platforms, and as a result, we are now rapidly moving towards acquiring more and more customers. I think with this, I'd like to thank again all my students and University of Melbourne for supporting it, and of course family members. When you do research, unlike in commercial organization where you work mostly 9 to 6, but whereas we have to work very hard, and for that you need family support. I'd like to thank my family members in helping us achieve what we have done so far, and I hope that people like yourself will help us to get to vision of year 2020, where we can be truly a leading company in cloud computing area. So finally, I'd like to thank Frost & Sullivan for recognizing this award, and I hope that this will help us in, it paves the way for our future growth. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bhuya, and congratulations once again. Thank you, Anand. For the next award, please